Well, we're back from the spin. As you'll see, the Mumbles man really blew our dresses up today. You'll have to see the video to see it. Unbelievable. Me and Timmy had the Mumbles, major Mumbles. Anyway, I got a call to pick up some lawnmower blades from a guy. He said these are used on 4 yards. He's got one of them riding lawnmowers that turns at 180 degrees in a second. I forget what you call it. These have cut more than 4. This was on top of that one outside in the rain. Then the floor shop called, said they needed their stem cutter sharpened, which I already knew because I talked to them, I don't know, Monday or Tuesday. Stem, okay. There's the stem cutter. They had 2 set up today. Usually they only have 1. They must be busy. He said, yeah, we need it back pretty quick, especially before Sunday. Anyway, I'll get it sharpened tomorrow sometime. I don't know what they've been cutting with it, but and maybe I'm making it too sharp and the edge get some chips in it. I won't make it quite as sharp this time. It's got little chips along the blade there. Looks like a shun or a global. Speaking of shuns, no, speaking of globals, the lady of the house is bringing some home. One of my customers that lives out where she works is dropping some, has already dropped some globals off and some Cutcos, and she said some colored knives, you know, the ones that are like orange and green and red. I don't know what they look like or what kind they are, but I noticed 2 or 3 globals and 2 or 3 Cutcos and some of those colored knives. I'll see them tonight. I'll probably sharpen them tomorrow with these. These I'll sharpen maybe tomorrow. I don't know. I suppose it rains Friday, which is tomorrow. So it may be a good day to work on them. My garage is a hoorah's nest, it looks like. We're having some wood replaced around the doors. Actually having the whole frame replaced on the garage side door. I mean, yeah, which we don't ever use. But it'll be finished tomorrow. I can move all this stuff back in. So the lady of the house won't be able to get her car in here tonight. Okay, I got to go inside. I'll check with you in a little while. I got to work on the Mumbles post. Well, I got the knives from the lady last night. Excuse me. I will say one thing. They might be the dullest knives I ever try to sharpen. I don't know what the age of these knives are, but or how she used them, but they're plenty dull. I mean, I've never seen anything like it. The globals don't have any microchips in them whatsoever, which is kind of unusual for globals. But they're just dull. Maybe that's what happened. They ground all the microchips off. Unbelievable. Anyway, I got something to do besides the stem cutter and the lawnmower blades. I'll get back to you after I hunt for some yellow today. See you later. Well, I'm headed to the Saturday morning knife gig. In the rain we got we did not get yesterday is trying to show up right now. You might be able to see it on my windshield. Oh no, stand by. Man, it's coming down now. I gotta stop and cover my stuff up. I brought a tarp just in case, but I certainly hadn't planned on using it. I gotta pull in this gas station right here. Get under his overhang. Stand by. A rainy Saturday. Hey.
Hi, how are you?
Okay. I see you over there. There's a guy with a cocaine. Monino's sauce, marinara. Low Tide 10 wants 2. I think the Mumbles man wants 1. I want 1. Wow. Well, I got 1 customer anyway. I got a COG, Precon, Cold Steel, and an Air Force survival knife. Guys hard at work.
All alone, I bear the shame. I've never got a name. I heard you wrong.
They'll have the whole sidewalk fixed up here soon. Well, finally, a little business. I got a family of Wusthoffs. 7 of them. And a Benchmade pocket knife. She says her husband's bringing the pocket knife over in a minute. Okay. And there comes the Benchmade.